In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to change the line spacing on your Wix web page design to enhance its overall readability and aesthetic appeal. You might want to begin by accessing the Wix website editor, which can be done quite easily from your account dashboard. In order to do this, find the option labeled Edit Site and give it a quick click. If done correctly, this will immediately bring you into the back end of your specified site where all the magic happens. Next, determine which text you'd like to modify for this exercise. Now, this could be any text box present on your site. Go ahead, click on it. The area of your choice will be encapsulated by a boundary, indicating that this particular section is currently active and open for editing. However, in certain scenarios, you might find the need to edit specific text within the opened box. To do this, we will have to double-click the required area. This additional action will subsequently launch an even more detailed set of text editing tools, allowing you to perfect your textual content down to the letter. Following this, we need to navigate towards the settings panel exclusive to text designing in the Wix editor. For this, you have a couple of routes you can take. First, there's a pretty straightforward Change Design button that can be found for each web page element. Clicking this will do the trick. Alternatively, you can search for the panel titled Text Settings. Depending on which version of the Wix editor you're working on, you might have to take an extra step and scroll down within the panel to get where we're headed. By now, you should have stumbled upon an option called Line Spacing. That's precisely what we're looking for. Upon locating, proceed by clicking on the drop-down menu associated with this option. Here, you will find the option to switch to Custom Line Spacing. This allows you to move away from the preset values and lets you take full control over the spacing factor. Feel free to manually adjust the line spacing to cater to your design needs. Now, to further personalize your line spacing, grab the slider presented in front and move it to desired positions, or directly enter a numerical value that reflects the precise degree of separation you have in mind. This could be an increase to bring more breathing space or a decrease to compact lines together. Finally, to apply all these changes you have meticulously worked on, click outside the text box. This action is what confirms all changes and securely applies them to your selected text. That's it. You've successfully manipulated and set a new line spacing for your Wix site's text. See how such a simple feature can immensely improve the harmony of your web page content? Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment. And remember that there's always room for refinement.